What up scrollers, and welcome back to the japplespot. And in this video we're gonna be seeing that how we guys can send WhatsApp messages without saving their number on WhatsApp. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video itself. For example, let's take this number to send a WhatsApp message. So as you can see, this number is not saved on my phone. So the first step, you will just copy this thing and come back to the home screen and open any of the browser you have in your phone. So this trick is also available for Androids as well. So the first thing, you have to write wa.me/91. So 91 is the India code, so it might change as your locality. So once you're here, then just paste that number. So in iOS, as you can see, there are some spaces in the numbers, so just delete that. Keep that in mind. This is the very important trick. And just press go, and it will take you to the api.whatsapp.com, and just click open. And as you can see, I am at the chat, so you can send any message. So that's how you can send messages on WhatsApp without saving their number. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button. So please like and subscribe. Peace out.